Well, hello and welcome back. Today I am starting my Valentine's Day treats and I have a nice simple one for you. They are chocolate covered strawberry s'mores.
Just the way I always wanted.
For these you'll just need some graham crackers, some chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate, dark chocolate, whatever chocolate you prefer. And marshmallow fluff, and I'm using Strawberry Marshmallow Fluff. Can be challenging to find. I don't know if your stores actually sell it or not. Mine didn't, so I got mine on Amazon. I'll have a link in the description on where you can find it. And then sprinkles and some other chocolate to drizzle and decorate on top. I actually had some strawberries and creams candy melts. So I wanted to use those just to add a little bit more strawberry flavor to the chocolate covered s'mores. So let's get to it. You will also need a s'mores mold. There's a plastic one and then there's the silicone ones. The silicone ones are a little deeper, so you're definitely going to get a lot of chocolate if you fill it all the way to the top and scrape it clean. So if you like a lot of chocolate, this is great. If you like, you can go with less chocolate and you just don't have to fill it as full. Or the plastic ones. I believe the plastic ones are a little bit wider, so they fit the graham cracker a little better. But all you have to do is rub the edges of the graham cracker just to make the corners fit a little better. But if you want to make sure that you have it completely covered, you might want to go with the plastic one. But I'll have both of those linked in the description as well. So first, obviously, you're just going to want to start with your melted chocolate. And you're just going to put that in your bottom. Then you add one of your graham crackers. Make sure, the chocolate's all the way around the bottom. You can shake it, spoon it, however works for you. And then add your bottom graham cracker. And then I put my marshmallow fluff in a pastry bag to make it much easier to get in. Again, obviously if you don't have one, you can just use a Ziploc bag and squeeze it, because it would be quite challenging to try to get it in there with a spoon or spatula. Now obviously add as much marshmallow as you want. If you like lots of marshmallow, a little bit of marshmallow. Top with your second graham cracker and then top with more chocolate. And just make sure it gets to all your edges and down around the sides. And then you can take a offset spatula and scrape so it's across the top nice and smooth if you want to, or leave it as is.
Some might say that I'm a loner.
And here you can see I'm just rubbing the edge of it so the corners fit a little better. Here I decided to go a little bit different with the marshmallow and just went from the corners in, just to how I had almost all the graham cracker covered.
Or at least I used to be. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside, and my heartstrings are pulling like the tide. And the match that drew a spark was a single stolen kiss. And if that ain't love, I don't know what is.
Then just pop those in the fridge for just a couple minutes and they'll be good to go. Here is another way. If you don't want a lot of graham cracker, you can just go ahead and do the chocolate, 1 layer of graham cracker and some marshmallow, and then just cover on top with your chocolate. Obviously, it's a little challenging to have a nice smooth bottom, but if you don't care about that, this is another option for you.
By these high walls, I've been surrounded. Walls to her eyes, only paper thin. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside, and my heartstrings are pulling like the turning of the tide. And the match that drew the spark was a single stolen kiss. And if that ain't love, I don't know what is. If that ain't love, I don't know what is.
Then if you want, go ahead and melt some candy melts or some other chocolate to drizzle across the top to decorate, and then add some cute Valentine's Day sprinkles. Had some cute little ones, and I added some bigger hearts and a little rose.
A wink telling me there's a chance. I've just got eyes for you. I've just got eyes for you. No other could enchant me, darling, like you do. 'Cause I've just got eyes for you. I've just got eyes for you. Your sister says she loves me, wants to share my name. She spoke to Reverend Bixby, they've already set the date. So I'm working up the guts to tell her I'll never say I do, 'cause I've just got eyes for you.
So I hope you and your Valentines will enjoy these treats. And if you did, make sure to let me know down in the bottom and what other Valentine treats you would like to see. And as always, live love, eat sweets.
Darling, like you do, 'cause I've just got eyes for you. I've just got eyes